How to stop negative thoughts in their tracks. Negative thoughts can be pervasive and detrimental to one's mental well-being. These thoughts often arise unbidden, instigating a spiral of anxiety, self-doubt, and discouragement. However, it is possible to halt these negative patterns effectively. In this video, we shall explore several strategies to manage and mitigate negative thinking. First, mindfulness practices serve as a powerful tool to combat negativity. By cultivating present moment awareness, individuals can become more attuned to their thoughts and feelings. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or simply observing one's thoughts without judgment can create a buffer against intrusive negativity. These practices allow one to recognize negative thoughts as fleeting mental events rather than absolute truths, thus diminishing their impact. Second, cognitive restructuring, a fundamental component of cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can facilitate the transformation of negative thoughts into more constructive ones. This process involves identifying irrational beliefs and challenging them with evidence-based reasoning. By questioning the validity of negative thoughts and reframing them, individuals can foster a more balanced perspective and reduce their emotional toll. Furthermore, engaging in physical activity can serve as an effective antidote to negative thinking. Exercise promotes the release of endorphins, which enhance mood and overall mental health. Regular physical activity not only distracts from negative thoughts but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and self-efficacy, further countering negativity. Finally, building a supportive social network is essential. Sharing thoughts with trusted friends or family members can provide perspective and alleviate feelings of isolation. Communicative exchanges enable individuals to challenge their negative thoughts through supportive feedback and empathy, thus promoting resilience against adversity. In conclusion, halting negative thoughts requires a multifaceted approach encompassing mindfulness, cognitive restructuring, physical activity, and social support. By implementing these strategies, individuals can cultivate a more positive mindset and enhance their overall mental health. Adopting these practices not only stops negative thoughts in their tracks but also paves the way for a more fulfilling and balanced life. Please hit that subscribe button to stay with us for more videos like this. Also, please give us your support or help us to improve by leaving us a comment.